Hi, Sarah Garland from Fine & Country. You join me here today in the pretty village of Eathorpe, approximately 6 miles from Leamington Spa. This magnificent 1875 Victorian property sits in approximately half an acre plot and was originally part of the Eathorpe Hall estate and converted 30 years ago to form a 4-bedroom family home with double garage. This is the first time to open market since the conversion and truly is an amazing grand property with its decorative red brick, high ceilings, sash windows and many other original period features in a superb rural location surrounded by open countryside. So come with me, let's take a look inside. Thank you for watching the video, and if you'd like any further information or to book a viewing, please contact me on the details that follow.